Hello, everyone. This is Walter Washington with Keller Williams Realty. I am here located at 7025 Mabelvale Pike, showing a listing that has a single level all brick home situated on a quiet street and sitting on a level half-acre lot. Home features large eat-in area of kitchen, but also has separate formal dining room, large living space with low maintenance ceramic tiles throughout main living areas, and back porch allows for year-round use due to its full glass enclosure. Recessed lighting throughout adds to the charm of this home. This is a great opportunity for an owner occupant or an investor to add equity with very little updating. So if you want more information about this listing, just please feel free to give me a call at 501-612-3838. That's 501-612-3838. Or you can visit my website at walterwashington.kw.com and email me at walterwashington@kw.com. As you just saw there, you just saw a few of the bedrooms, the 3 bedrooms that are here. Here is the other bath. There's 3 bedroom, 2 bath. Check out this area here to see what that's another entrance to the dining room / kitchen and off to the porch. And then you have that living room we just talked about with a bonus room to the side. And it gives you great flow around the house, great chemistry. Appliances, kitchen, cabinetry. Carport here. As we go through, you can see the enclosed sunroom. So this has great opportunity, conveniently located, spacious backyard, spacious yard period. And once again, any information on this listing and more, give me, Walter Washington, Keller Williams Realtor, a call at 501-612-3838, website walterwashington.kw.com. Thank you so much for tuning in. Signing off, Walter Washington, your real estate advocate.